Okay, now that you have your title and your picture added, what you're going to do is decide what type of shapes you want to add to your diagram. So your shapes that you're going to add are going to show your family, going to show your career choice, going to show your interests, and is going to show your education. So you can pick the same shape for all four, or you can pick four different shapes. It's entirely up to you. The shapes work the same as the graphics. All you have to do is go grab a shape, and maybe I want the hexagon. I click and drag and drop it out on the canvas. I can size it right away. As soon as I drop it, I have an insertion point flashing that's going to let me type text. So one shape is going to be family, and then you're going to add another shape, and that one is going to be education. You're going to add a fourth shape, which is, and notice how we get the snap to, those are alignment, so they're aligning across. We're going to add this one, and that one is going to be interests. And if you lose it like I did right there, a double click will bring that back. And then the last one is going to be career. Now these don't have to be lined up. I'm lining them up. You have grid paper, so you can easily align things as you want. So you've got your four basic shapes. I'm going to show you how to format one of those, and then you can format the other three. But let me zoom in a little bit so that it's easier to see. So once you have your shape, when you click on it, you're going to be able to size it. Just drag your corner handles. It's going to distort, so watch what you're sizing. You may need to hold down the shift and then size, which should constrain your proportions. So you've got an image there or a shape there that you're going to use, and then format it. So you can format it however you want. You can double click and format the font. So change the font just like you did for the title. You can change the size from 8 point is really little. So there's 17. That's probably 16 is probably better depending on how big you made your title. You can change the font color. So if you wanted it something else, I'm going back to the red again for some reason. You can change how it's aligned. You can change the lines. So if I'm right now working on the font, so if I go out here and click to get rid of all the highlighting or all the selection and then click on the line, that's going to let me adjust the line size. So maybe I want a fatter line, so the higher the number, the bigger the line. Maybe I want the fill changed for that line. Maybe I want it blue for some reason. The fill on the shape is going to be white. Maybe you want it a different color. So just kind of work around with it and get all four of those formatted how you want them to be. So you'll have fill, you'll have text, and you'll have a line that you can use to format. Okay, that's it. So you'll have your four and you'll format them.